Hi, everyone. I hope you're having a nice Labor Day weekend. As you know, there are no classes or anything on Monday, so you do not have anything due on Monday. So I'm going to be going over what's going on the rest of week 3, which would be due on Wednesday and Friday. So I was really impressed with the Parlor 1 and 2 syntheses that you all did. So great job on those. You will do that a couple more times in the Parlor process. So let's look ahead at week 3. Okay, it's a pretty straightforward week. So you have another Parlor post due on Wednesday. And you're reading 2 articles from Bad Ideas About Writing, and then this is a TED Talk. Then on Friday, you're doing another synthesis of Parlors 3 and 4. So this should maybe go a little easier for you this time now that you've done one. And you can look back on what your classmates did for the past one that you did. If you want to get some more ideas about how to approach the synthesis. But if you've already done the synthesis, this might come a little more naturally to you now. And then the last thing we have this week is in our second studio about the rhetorical situation. So this explains really what is meant by that term, the rhetorical situation. So what you are doing for step 1, you are looking through the slides here. Okay. And you can see there are a few different graphics to help you understand this. Here in step 2 and in step 3. And then you're taking this quiz. What you get on the quiz does not count for or against you in the grade for the studio. It's really just a way to test your knowledge about it. Okay. And then for step 5, you are responding to these questions here in a reflection, okay? So you'll just need to submit your response here for this studio, and it should be around 300 words. And that's about it this week. Just remember that as you're reading through the assigned readings, try to keep notice of the kinds of topics that interest you, because all of this is meant to give you ideas for possible topics for the extended inquiry project, okay? So that's it, short video this week. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will talk to you all again next weekend. Please email me or post to the Ask Professor forum if you have any questions about assignments or anything like that. All right, bye.